Right. I have a question in my mind. And that is that I can normally using two cameras. I have one DSLR, which one is this one. I can show you. I mean this one, you can see in my hand. This is my hand. This is the one I have. Okay. So if I want, I can shoot all my video with this camera, or I can use. I have another camera. I show you. Or I have this one, Insta360. So this one, I can use this one, extend the pole, or I can make it set down like this. It could be seated like this. Okay, so I can leave it in here somewhere, but sound quality is average. You can't say it's perfect, it's average. So I have a question now, that which one is actually I'm using most as default. That okay, most of the time which camera I will use for my video recording, and I'm not quite sure yet, but I spoke with my other colleague who actually is scripting or editing the video or helped me with the other work. They actually recommend to using this Canon for my primary video recording. So let's try and see that how is going on. Now at this moment I was thinking that okay, if I'm using this DSLR camera as my regular camera and I'm using Insta360 for my outdoor or some where I can using this where I cannot using this DSLR, I can using the small camera, the Insta360. So obviously if I go anywhere, I normally go with my car, and if I'm go with my car, I have to keep this camera. My car is not a normal car. I'm doing the taxi as well as a part-time. So the people jumped into the car, they can see the big camera, they're asking lots of questions. So now what I'm just thinking, what I will be do, I will make some space in my Glover box, and I will leave my camera or my important stuff in my. I have to find out how the situation of my Glover box right now, to be honest. So, my God, it's full. The Glover box is full. So what I'm thinking that I will make empty. Well, before the empty, the car is look like a little bit dirty as well. So what I'm thinking, I will clean the car, and I also make some space for my Glover box, so where I can put my camera and iPad and other stuff. There is a video in my channel that how actually I set up this car wash system, that I can start my washing car within 3 to 5 minutes. If you want, you can see that video. This is the practicality test. Nope, not successful. What if I take this separately? Get in. Yes! But I can put it here. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Perfect. I'm repairing or rebuild one of my taxi sign. I don't want to spend money. I have money, but I want to build it by myself. So I just painted before. Now, actually, I'm just going to get some cable and batteries, and let's have a see. I will share with you the full details in a minute. Right, I get my stuff, what I need for to repair my taxi sign. Well, the council rule is permanently I have to hold a taxi sign on top of my car. This is a condition of licensing, but let's have a see. I want to do that one. I want to follow the rule. I'm the guy who followed the rule. I like it. My camera tripod is not very good on unusual place like car seat or something. PYG tech, so that's why it's swinging sometimes left, sometimes right, and like this. It's not very good weather today. It's not raining actually, it's drizzling. Maybe it will be proper rain, heavy rain later on today. I checked the weather forecast in the morning. It says a little bit rain, but the sky doesn't look like it will be a little bit rain. So I'm going back to the office. I think there is some problem with the camera settings, the light settings, I think. Yes, more better. And if I switch to this one, yeah. Okay, I had the wrong settings, I think. Yeah. If I use these cloudy settings outside, it's not sunny. It should be looking more nice in my camera, I believe. And I'm always looking on the flip screen, which one is not very good. Our cleaning process is started. I'm trying my best to keep this shop up and running, try to make some money from this shop, because everyone, we are actually crying, shouting, giving advice, taking advice about the business, but in a real time or a real life, it's very hard to run a business properly that we want. We have a lots of problem in our life, the same things as well in the business as well. So like, say for example, this Pizza Heaven is nearly dying. I think I will be the last owner of this business if I cannot carry on with this business, or if I fail in this business. So we have to shut it down. Last 12-15 years old local takeaway business, pizza delivery. I know its quality is good, but only one problem we have to keep carry on more investment and running this business. We try to show you that how we can keep running and keep going on a business. We try to show you, okay, what kind of problem we are getting when we are running a takeaway business. And the main reason is actually I want to documenting the whole journey to running this business, or to try to make it live this business, that I can it's like a commitment that it should be going to be it will be a responsibility for me as well to keep going on, do my best to run this shop, to keep this shop alive. Hopefully, if you start a bit, I don't know I will be success in this business or not. If I fail with this business, obviously I will feel really bad, and I will feel really bad about this, that okay, I lose this business, I try my best. Clean? This look like clean now.